Hello everyone, my name is Yueyi Li. This presentation mainly talks about the positive function of interaction in students' output. The discussion about this topic will be divided into three parts: literature review, the case study from myself, and the limitations about interaction in SLA. There are two main theories in interaction. The first one is called cognitive interactionism paradigm. This paradigm mainly talks about the interrelationship between input, interaction, and output. And the second one is the social cultural paradigm. First, the cognitive interactionism paradigm consists with the interaction hypothesis from long and swings the comprehensible output hypothesis. In the interaction hypothesis, during the process of negotiation of meaning between students and students with their teacher, like paraphrasing, students will be pushed to output, and the students will notice their gap and modify their output. Therefore, their output is being shaped and polished. Second, the comprehensible output hypothesis considers the importance of modified output that learners produce as a result of negotiation of meaning. Therefore, according to the cognitive interaction paradigm, interaction could assist learners to aware of gaps in their competence, and they will be promoted to produce the pushed output. Besides, learners will also have opportunity to produce long as well as short terms, and also have a chance to experiment with second language. And they also could self-correct their own output through interaction. Social cultural paradigm consisted with three main components: the mediation, the zone of approximate development, and the scaffolding. First, mediation consists the development of higher thinking process areas as a consequence of human interaction and communication as a tool for thought. The zone of approximate development help to inspire learners' potential learning abilities through interaction. And the last, scaffolding could assist performance through simplified tasks, maintain pursuit of goal, or making critical features, and facilitate leaders from subject or other regulation to self-regulation. The research is a case study about the positive function of interaction between students and the teacher in students' output. According to the observation and interview of one Chinese senior high schooler listening class, data analysis tell us the interaction of the classroom could improve not only the quality of students but also the quality of output, since after fluent interaction between teacher and students, relative linguistic knowledge had been delivered to students, and the students' learning outcomes are being enhanced effectively, as well as their interaction about questions also become very positive, and they could produce more linguistic formals. However, although interaction have many contributions to students' output and second language acquisition, according to the case study and the literature review, there are also some limitations in interaction. Two paradigms consider the importance of interaction in promoting second language acquisition, while most of teachers only emphasize the quantity of interactions rather than quality, especially in students' output like speaking and writing. Two main interaction hypotheses neglect the quality of students' contributions and learners talking during the interaction. And the teacher also overlooks the participation of learners when interaction happens in classroom. They only focus on a large amount of produced and fluent interaction between, rather than the quality of learners' talk. And according to the research, it's also found that aim and the different types of interaction will influence the quality of output directly, and the quality of input also impact the output of students mostly. Comprehensible and sufficient input could enhance and trigger learners' output effectively.